Hello everyone, we are from Group 6. We'll be presenting anxiety disorder. This is the most common mental disorder. They refer to a group of circumstances in which extreme or pathological anxiety is the primary disruption of mood or emotional tone. According to global estimates, 3.6% of the population had an anxiety disorder in 2015. They appear to be more common in females, 4.6%, than males, 2.6%. Everyone experiences anxiety and some people experience extreme anxiety at times. When it comes to anxiety disorders, the anxiety is either excessive or unrealistic. For example, if final exams are approaching and a student has not prepared adequately, that student's anxiety is understandable and realistic. However, a student who has studied and well prepared but still worries excessively about passing is demonstrating an unrealistic amount of anxiety.
By all accounts, it is common to feel anxiety. We all experience it at some point in life. It is considered as a natural human state and a crucial part of life. Anxiety helps people to identify and respond to fight or flight mode. Looking at it from this way, it may seem like anxiety affects people positively as it helps people overcome the difficulty of challenges in their life. Although, be mindful this can only happen with the right amount of anxiety where it still can be used to stimulate action and creativity. But what happens if the anxiety felt by a person has passed the amount where it's still considered as normal? That is when the other side of anxiety is introduced, also called as persistent anxiety. Persistent anxiety causes real emotional distress and can lead people to feel unwell or worse, develop anxiety disorders such as panic attacks, phobias, and obsessional behaviors. Anxiety at this level can have a truly distressing and debilitating impact on our lives, also impact our physical as well as our mental health.
There are a few forms or symptoms of an anxiety disorder that we will be discussing today. The first one is social anxiety, which is also known as social phobia. It is a fear of interacting with others or being in a social situation. People with this kind of disorder are afraid of being evaluated by others, so they tend to avoid situations that could lead to something embarrassing. For example, they will not eat with other people or they will not join a public speaking. Second one is a specific phobia. It is a fear of some kind of object or a specific situation. For example, some people are afraid of an animal or an insect like cockroaches. Some are even afraid of heights or even thunderstorm. The third types of anxiety disorder that I will be explaining today is panic disorder. Panic disorder is a disorder in which panic attacks occur more than once or repeatedly. It can cause persistent worry or changes in behavior. Some of the physical symptoms in panic disorders are racing heart, rapid breathing, and uncontrolled feelings of terror.
Other than those, we have agoraphobia, which being in a place or scenario where living is difficult or impossible has made them fearful. Some of the scenarios are being in a crowd, using public transportation and enclosed spaces. Feelings of dread and impending of doom, together with physical stress symptoms, and enduring it for 6 months or more in a person, is the definition of generalized anxiety disorder. Tendency to worry about situations, people, or objects that are not really a problem or having sleeping problems are some of the examples.
Now I will present the conclusion of our topic with title Anxiety Disorder. Anxiety disorder is a type of mental health condition that can make someone respond to certain things and situations with fear and dread. Anxiety disorder not only be a problem to someone but also can be beneficial in our life. For example, anxiety helps us to notice dangerous situations and focus our attention, so we stay safe. Not only that, anxiety disorder also can be prevented if someone take a good step to control or reduce. For example, live a healthy lifestyle such as exercises regularly, seek help from professional counselor, and else. So, only know, anxiety disorder can be a problem on mental health and also can be beneficial in our life. That's all from us. Thank you.